Okay, I lied. I really did lie. Unintentionally, but I still lied. So I'm here to set the record straight. All right, so one of the things I kind of misled y'all on my last video, that's what I kind of want to discuss right now, is Restream and how Restream works. Now, I said in the video that you can only do 720p on a free account. Well, Coalition Gaming, Chris over at Coalition Gaming, big shout out to him, by the way. I'll provide a link to his channel down in the description. He said, I don't think that's true because we stream to Restream.io and we use OBS Studio, and by using OBS Studio, you can do 1080p. So I've tested it out and it does actually work. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually live stream using OBS Studio to my YouTube and to my Twitch, and you will see that using Restream.io through OBS Studio allows you to do 1080p without a watermark, mind you. What it'll do is it'll actually put a channel down in your description. It'll put a link that you use Restream.io to live stream. But that's it. Other than that, no watermark inside of your canvas, nothing. Okay, so you can stream 1080p to 2 channels. You're still limited to 2 channels, but hey, that's, you know, in my opinion, not bad at all. So what I've done now is let me bring up the Stream PC. And I will go live and we'll start stream. All right, so now we should be able to bring up YouTube and Facebook, or YouTube and Facebook, YouTube and Twitch. All right, and so I am live here. And I am also live on the YouTube. And I should be able to bring up 1080p 60 in YouTube, which you can see right there, and in Twitch 1080p 60. Okay, so I've got both on both services using Restream for free. Now I wanted to point something else out. Notice the chat right here. Okay, I was restreaming earlier to Kick and Twitch and testing stuff out, and if you have the Restream bot as a mod in your channel, which right now only I have it for Twitch, I think maybe YouTube also. Hold on a second. Let me try this. Let's see if it works. But the Restream bot should, yes. So the Restream bot, and if you have this as a mod in your channel, what it'll do is it's going to label all of your different chats from your different services in your chats on each side. So if here I had YouTube, you know, it's detected I chatted in YouTube. So it's taken and put my username and where I was at when I talked, when I chatted. Okay. So that's a nice feature, but I want to warn you, this may be against Twitch's TOS. One of the things that they said is they do not want an overlay where viewers can see other viewers from other platforms. Okay. This kind of falls into that category. I think it's kind of a gray area where Restream is allowing other viewers to see everybody else's chatting across all the other platforms at the same time. And I think Twitch is trying to avoid that. So I will say, beware using this, as this may go against the TOS. I think it's kind of a gray area right now, but I think they could make a good argument for this being against what they really would like to do for simulcasting, multi-streaming, whatever. All right. Me personally, I don't really care. I'm not using Twitch to try to make a bunch of money. I'm just there to stream and have fun, so it doesn't matter to me. But the fact that they're allowing it into YouTube is really nice, that I can stream in YouTube and my viewers can see other viewers from other platforms and they can see it's really nice. So really good little feature that Restream is now done. Now, what you need to do in OBS is you need to go to your settings and go to stream, and you need to use the Restream.io integration. So make an account on Restream and then log into your account through OBS to get this to work right. It will then set up all of these dockable windows that you can use to turn on and off the platforms you want to use, make the title and description for everything, update them all simultaneously, or you can do them separately. And then you have your chat here that is linked up, and it also shows you the platforms that are connected through the Restream chatbot. So it's a really nice thing to do, and I'm glad that Chris was able to point this out, because I will definitely be using this a lot more often now. All right, so that's all I wanted to do and let you know about. Again, I'm sorry for misleading in the last video, but I want to make sure that you get all the information you need so that you can multi-stream properly. Other than that, guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff. You know the deal, right? All right. Y'all be good. We'll see you later.